now, although that process is now a bit advanced.
Gĩikaro gĩkĩ gĩtabanĩtio nĩ kanitha wa CITAM na kĩrehete hamwe etĩkia na onjoria magacemania na rũhonge rũrũ rwa KRA rũrũgamĩrĩirwo nĩ maobitha aruo a Nyĩrĩ.
Sisi kama kanisa tunaamini ya kwamba wenye biashara wakibobea ama wakikuwa sawa katika biashara zao, hata kanisa linabarikiwa kwa ajili ya hiyo. And because of that, we came here to have this conference to enable that business people in the city of Nanyuki can be helped in matters tax compliant.
Aingĩ a onjoria makĩria arĩa nini mokĩte gũthererio maũndũ matiganĩte ma marĩhi ma igoti marĩa maugĩte matũnganaga namo makĩria rĩrĩa maraheana riboti ya biacara ciao.
Mostly it was all about process of claiming the refunds and how we should be treating VAT on credits we receive on advance payments from customers. We would like KRA to be coming down as the way they have done, so that we can be having one-on-one interactions.
I had an issue myself on withholding VAT payable not being credited, but I got my answers from the desk, where they will also do a follow-up. And I must say, besides this meeting, KRA to our company has been like friends, I would say, because they even do courtesy calls. So KRA has really changed the way they operate.
Mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa bodi ya KRA Nderitu Mũrĩithi augĩte rũhonge rũrũ rũrĩ na muoroto wa gũkinyĩria a Kenya ndũmĩrĩri gũkuhĩ nao matũũra-inĩ nĩ amu aingĩ a Kenya matikoragwo mathereirwo biũ nĩ mũrutĩre wa wĩra wa KRA.
Citizens in their individual capacity and in their businesses, they would like tax to be predictable so that it's not changing too much. That way they're able to plan. Number two, they would like it simplified so that it is easier for them to comply without too much cost. Third, they would like us to improve technology, improve our systems.
Muoroto wa gĩikaro gĩkĩ nĩ kũiguithia a Kenya makĩria gũkorwo makĩrĩha magoti.
They would like fairness, that the way we apply the law is fair to all, and that all of us participate in financing the state so that the burden is not on a few.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV ndĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Laikipia njĩtagwo Gĩthui wa Wairimũ.